Welcome to today's video on machine learning. We'll explore what machine learning is, the different types, key algorithms, and how it's applied in the real world. Whether you're new to this field or want to dive deeper, this video will give you a solid understanding of machine learning. By the end of this video, you'll know how machine learning works and its transformative role across various industries. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence where systems learn from data and make decisions without being explicitly programmed. Instead of being told what to do, a machine learns from patterns in data. For example, it can identify images, predict trends, or classify data. AI, machine learning, and deep learning. AI is the broad concept. Machine learning is a subset of AI focused on learning from data, and deep learning is a more advanced type of machine learning using neural networks. Types of machine learning. Supervised learning. In supervised learning, models learn from labeled data. For example, a spam filter knows what's spam because it's been trained on labeled examples. Unsupervised learning. Here, models work with unlabeled data and try to find patterns. Clustering algorithms, for example, group similar items together. Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is about making decisions based on rewards and penalties. Self-driving cars and game AI rely on this approach. Key algorithms in machine learning. Linear regression. Linear regression predicts continuous values, like forecasting sales based on historical data. Decision trees. Decision trees split data into branches to classify it. For instance, it can determine if a customer is likely to buy a product. K-nearest neighbors. KNN classifies data points based on their closest neighbors. It's simple, but effective for small data sets. Support vector machines. SVM finds the best boundary to separate classes in a dataset. It's often used for binary classification problems. Clustering. K-means groups similar data points into clusters. It's used in customer segmentation and market analysis. Neural networks. Neural networks mimic the brain structure, making them great for complex tasks like image and speech recognition. How machine learning works. Data collection and preparation. The first step is gathering data. The better your data, the more accurate your model. Data must be cleaned and organized. Model selection. Depending on the problem, you choose the right algorithm, whether it's regression, classification, or clustering. Training the model. In this step, the model learns from the training data by identifying patterns and adjusting its parameters. Model evaluation. To see how well it performs, you evaluate the model using metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. Model deployment. Once satisfied, you deploy the model to make predictions on new data. This step is crucial in applications like recommendation systems. Practical applications of machine learning. Healthcare. Machine learning aids in diagnostics, drug discovery, and predicting disease outbreaks. Finance. It's used for fraud detection, credit scoring, and algorithmic trading. Retail. Personalized recommendations, dynamic pricing, and inventory management all use machine learning. Transportation. Self-driving cars and route optimization are powered by machine learning. Entertainment. Streaming services like Netflix and Spotify use machine learning to recommend content. Challenges and future of machine learning. Data privacy and security. The more data collected, the more potential for misuse. Regulations like GDPR aim to protect users. Bias in algorithms. Models can reflect the biases in their training data. Addressing this bias is a key challenge. The future. Explainable AI and more automated systems are the future. We can expect AI to integrate more deeply into our lives, pushing boundaries in areas like quantum computing. We've covered the essentials of machine learning, from what it is to how it works and its applications. Machine learning is transforming industries, and it's exciting to see how it evolves. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.